RomanCart makes it really easy to sell tickets from your online store, whether you've got a shop selling products and you want to sell tickets as well, or whether you're just running a business that requires the selling of tickets. So RomanCart will actually generate the tickets for you, and on those tickets will be a barcode that can be scanned with a barcode scanner that you can get for most smartphones. There's quite a few of these available now, and it will tell you whether the ticket is valid and has been scanned before. So if we take a look at this screen in front of us here, this is the product manager, and this is for our oneshades.com demo store, and you'll see there's a link at the top that says tickets. So if I just click on there, then you'll see there's just some general options and settings that we need to set to sell tickets. So the first option here is create separate tickets, and what this is say someone goes onto your store and they buy 3 tickets, perhaps 2 adult and 1 child ticket. Now, do you want them to have 3 tickets created, or do you just want 1 ticket that covers those 3 admissions, as it were? So if you want separate tickets, you just make sure that box is checked there. Now, when you first scan a ticket on your mobile device, it'll ask you to enter a user code, and so just enter the kind of PIN number that you want to have that you want your users to enter there, and these are the people that are scanning the tickets at the door. So just enter your number there, and then of course you can customize the actual ticket as well. So we've got the header code for the printable ticket page, the footer for that page, and then the ticket template. This is for the actual ticket itself. Those 2 fields above are for the page which appears where you can print the tickets off. So you can enter HTML for the actual ticket and have the ticket appear exactly as you like. So if we click on the back button here, this takes us back to the product manager, and then you'll see at the bottom there's a link that says add new ticket. Actually, we're going to create a new category here. Let's just create a category called tickets, and let's create that in sunglasses. There we go. Actually, no, let's create a new super category, all tickets. Add super category, and then we'll do let's have event tickets. As the category. Okay, so if I just go back, and so we'll see that in all tickets, event tickets, we don't actually have anything at the moment. But if we can click on add new ticket. And a ticket is essentially the same as a product, and it's got many of the same options. But let's just enter an item code, ticket 01. We'll call it, this is sunglasses, so sunglasses demo event ticket. I'll just keep this really simple. We'll just have 1 ticket for our sunglasses demo event. Perhaps this is some kind of event where we're going to demonstrate all the different sunglasses that are available and people can try them on and so forth. So we can set the stock on this as well. We'll say 100. So let's say 100 people are allowed to buy this ticket, and for the price, let's have it at, I don't know, £5. Okay, so let's just click on save. You'll see that appears with a ticket icon here on the left-hand side. So now if we click on show me the code, we can paste this code onto our web page, either the button or the hyperlink, and we'll use that to sell the ticket. So when the customer clicks on that, it will add the ticket to the basket, and they can proceed. So it's very much like a normal product, apart from when this purchase takes place, a ticket is going to be generated. So I'm going to paste this onto our web page, and then do a demo transaction so that you can see exactly what happens. And here it is. You can see on the left hand side here we've pasted in the link from the show me the code page, and we've adjusted it with our own text. So it now says click here to buy a ticket to our demo event, £5 in brackets. Now of course if you were really selling tickets, this is just a demo store. If you're really selling tickets, you'd have a bit more information, for example the date and time of the event as well. But if I just click on the link to buy a ticket, you'll see we go to the cart. It says ticket 1, ticket 01, sunglasses demo event ticket, as you'd expect, price £5. If we go to the checkout, and then we proceed to payment. Now we're going to click on submit card details. Now here's the transaction complete page. And you can see there's now a link on here which says click here to print the tickets you have purchased. So if I click on that, if I click on those tickets here, and you can see that we've got our ticket is now been created, and this is the page. You can customize this page with a header and footer exactly as you like, and you can create the ticket as you require. You can see there's a barcode on there. Technically it's called a QR code, and that can be scanned at the door of your event, and the ticket details there as well. In this case we've got our logo on it. So your customer would print those off and take them along to the event where they can be scanned. Now, as you can see here as well, they get sent a confirmation email, and the link to print the tickets is also on the confirmation email. So if they miss it at the end of the transaction, they can always print it off by clicking on the link in their confirmation email. So if we close this tickets window here, go back to the transaction, we can click on continue. And there we are, we get the thank you page. Thank you for your order. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. So as you can see, RomanCart makes it really easy to sell tickets, and you set it up on the product manager, and it will actually generate a ticket for you, which can be scanned. As I mentioned before, there's many different applications you can download for your smartphone to scan the actual tickets. We've been using one called NeoReader for the iPhone, but there's loads more to choose from. And when you first scan it, it will ask you for the PIN number that you've created, and then you just type that in, and it will tell you whether the ticket has been scanned before, which is the important information you need to know if you're at the door. So if you want to sell tickets, we really obviously recommend this. Give it a go, and you'll see how easy it is.